If your cat's gossip game is stronger than daytime TV and your dog can't stop yapping, congratulations, you're living in a sitcom. Meet Chatty Cat and Chatty Doggy, the dynamic duo with more words per minute than a high-speed blender on turbo. Picture this. It's a sunny afternoon, and Chatty Cat is lounging on the windowsill, spilling the latest neighborhood news. Enter Chatty Doggy, tail wagging like a metronome set to presto, ready to bark about every squirrel he's ever chased. Now mix them together. What do you get? A fantastic comedy show that's part soap opera, part wildlife documentary. From debating the best nap spots to critiquing the human's choice in TV shows, these two could talk the ears off a cornfield. Stay tuned, because when Chatty Cat meets Chatty Doggy, the only thing louder than their banter is the laughter they leave behind. Oh, and keep the subtitles on. You wouldn't want to miss a single punchline.